How an organization measures cost is really a crucial part of that transformation. So let's dig in a little bit about measurement specifically. Um, Looking to Alpega TMS, what are the capabilities in terms of measuring costs and the benefits better measurement brings? So I'm going to turn to Marcus on this and ask, Marcus, what do we measure?
Sure, Ben. It's a good question. Basically, we can measure everything that comes into our TMS. That would include values such as kilometers, CO2 emissions, handling unit, on-time performance, really all cost-connected factors related to the transports. In fact, we have a plethora of them, but these are probably some of the most important KPIs, I would say.
Okay, so now what's the how? How do we measure it?
Also a good question. So essentially, the data enters from the ERP, the Enterprise Resource Planning System, or the WMS, the Warehouse Management System, of the shipper through a so-called direct connection integration like an EDI, electronic data interchange, or API, which is the new interface, an application programming interface. This is more or less a middleware that basically allows two applications to talk to each other. The data is then collected in our business intelligence tool and turned into real, tangible KPIs or key performance indicators, which we can work with and turn into actual actionable insights. Since we can only begin to understand and work with what we actually know.
Excellent. Well, I think the last part of this is why would better measurement yield better results?
Well, Ben, that's a topic we will address throughout this entire webinar, but let me put it like this. Shippers that come to us always wants to know the answer to one specific question. That is, how can you save me money? But that's just a baseline. The shipper should be able to audit his carrier to give his customers the best service possible. Being able to review their rates accurately and get the needed financial reporting without breaking a sweat. So in short, what we want to do is to arm the shippers with the right tools to make better, smarter business decisions and thereby yield better results.